What is next after graduation? As a young graduate or a student of a university or college, graduating or coming out from your institution and hoping to gain any employment opportunity from any institution, or if you are hoping to gain admission from any academic institution you are thinking of, you have to make sure that your statement of purpose, your resume, or your CV speak volume of you. You should make sure that these documents are of high standard and contains the relevant details and information the institution or company requires from you. This is why it's very important for you to get yourself the most standard CV, a resume, or a statement of purpose that will keep you going. At AG Professional Services, we make sure that your resume, your CV, and your statement of purpose are of high quality and of high standard so that you can be able to occupy any position or vacancy you come across day in, day out. At AG Professional Services, we do it right. We have an ebook on statement of purpose, CV writing, resume on the comment section. Click on the link to get our ebook on seller. At AG Professional Services, we do it right. Thank you.